Hello and welcome. I'm Priyadhi and you're watching Prime Time News. Have a look on this special report.
Golf tournament with a unique objective, a pledge for Atmanirbhar Bharat, was promoted by Member of Parliament Srimati Meenakshi Lekhi, New Delhi, and was played at the Delhi Golf Club on 9th or 10th October 2020. The tournament received tremendous response with over 400 participants, which included corporate heads, bureaucrats, junior and marginalized golfers, and members of DGC. Amit Luthra, Asiad Gold Medalist, Arjun Awardee, Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Awardee from the President of India, stated that he was happy to see that golf was being used a medium to promote the message of Atmanirbhar Bharat, as it our juniors who would be our torch bearers and tomorrow future for a self-reliant India. Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi was inspired by Honorable PM Narendra Modi vision for Atmanirbhar Bharat and want to use the medium of sports to communicate it and also get a pledge from our fellow countrymen to get committed. In the skills tournament, most of the prizes were won by the Golf Foundation's beneficiaries. Rakshit Dhaiya and Savdeep Kadian were the prominent winners. Shubham Jaglan, Golf Foundation star, four-time world JR champion, was gave a lesson on putting to Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi as well.
We are at the MP Cup. Our Prime Minister's tagline of Atmanirbhar Bharat, how to be self-sufficient in India. So we are having this tournament here where we have got 2 days of Stableford tournament. Meenakshi ji, our MP, is also here. It was her initiative. And the Golf Foundation, the main sponsors of sponsoring the kids, the less privileged and the junior kids also, so that they can prove themselves and make India proud. So it's like the saying goes, do you give fish to a person or do you give a fishing rod? So being an Asian Games gold medalist and Arjun Awardee and having got the highest award from Kovind ji, the President of India, for promotion of sports by the name of Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar, the Golf Foundation has raised over 400 kids and some of them have gone to bring laurel gold medals for India. In fact, Rashid Khan, Chupankar Sharma, both the foundation kids, one is a brand ambassador, were supposed to represent India at the coming Tokyo Olympic Games. So the foundation is doing the work what anybody else would be doing. The kids are earning 1 crore or more year on year. So some kids in 5-6 years have made 6, 7, 8 crores. And that is what we have to go forward, what the PMG says, that Atmanirbhar, and I think there's no other way of being Atmanirbhar than actually teaching the skills so that the kids can defend themselves, earn for themselves, get medals for India, be it in Asian Games, be it in the World Championships or even in the Olympics. And the only way to do it, like I said, is the Golf Foundation, which is promoting them, and we need more people to come forward and help and support the cause of Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is the tagline, and Khelo India Khelo, which the PM says, and Meenakshi ji is the main proponent of that.
What inspired you for that?
देखिए what inspiration was, I think inspiration for each one of us is the Prime Minister, and whenever he has tried to convey the message for making India great, for helping Indians, for helping the strategizing from bottommost to the highest category of people. We all need to work in synchronized fashion to achieve any goal which is set for India. And the inspiration was the Prime Minister and the Prime Minister's message. So we had been planning when March happened and Corona happened, and post that we were all under lockdown, and by the time the opening started, this is one event which can be played by observing all the Corona norms. Social distancing can be maintained, sanitization can be kept, people can play with a face cover on and mask on. So that's how this event was planned, and we have followed everything, and we are happy that about 450 entries in a game like this is huge, because not more than 180 or 140 people play this event, but we've had 450 entries, including 70 kids who have played. So I am very, very pleased to be here and get the massive support, where all my friends have co-sponsored and each one has done something or the other.
Watching Prime Time News for more such news updates.